Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Picks, the channel that helps you make smarter choices for your home. Today's topic is a dream come true for anyone who loves convenience. Self-cleaning robot vacuums. Yes, they vacuum, mop, and even empty their own dust bins, which means you almost never have to touch the dirt. I've tested and selected 3 amazing models for different needs and budgets. There's a powerful one, a cost-effective one, and even a robot that practically takes care of your home all by itself. Let's check them out. First, ECOVACS Deebot N20 Plus. This one is the best friend of pet owners. It's powerful and handles pet hair, dust, and everyday messes without tangling the brushes. The best part is that it empties itself for up to 2 months, so you don't have to worry about cleaning the bin all the time. It also mops while vacuuming, detects carpets, and adjusts the cleaning automatically. Users love it because it's strong, reliable, and requires very little maintenance. If you want convenience and power without spending too much, this one's a great choice. Second, Roborock Q7 L5 Plus. This one is the favorite when it comes to value for money. You know that perfect balance between advanced technology and a fair price? That's it. It maps your home with precision, cleans room by room, follows neat routes, and also empties its own dust bin, all through the app. The battery lasts a long time, and its performance is consistently solid. If you want to invest wisely and have a smart robot that truly understands your home, this is the one for you. And finally, the top of the line, Dreame X50 Ultra. This one is for those who want the very best. The Dreame X50 Ultra practically does everything on its own. It vacuums, mops, washes and dries the pads automatically, and even empties the dust bin. You just watch it work. It's the kind of robot that leaves your floors spotless and then gets itself ready for the next cleaning, without you lifting a finger. Perfect for anyone who wants a complete experience and zero hassle. Conclusion. So, to recap, the ECOVACS N20 Plus is perfect for pet owners. It's the best and most affordable option for those who need strong performance and convenience. The Roborock Q7 L5 Plus offers the perfect balance between price and performance. And the Dreame X50 Ultra is for those who want the highest level of technology and comfort. 3 amazing options, each one designed for a different routine, but all with the same goal, helping you save time and keep your home spotless. If this video helped you, check out the links in the description to find the model that fits your lifestyle. It helps support the channel and keeps us bringing you more reviews like this. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next Smart Picks videos. See you next time.